In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Sheets on one page. This is a great skill to have handy when you need to ensure all your data fits neatly onto one page, making it both presentable and easier to read. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. You can do this by going to Google Drive, finding your spreadsheet, and clicking to open it. Once it's open, you're ready to start setting it up for printing. Next, let's focus on the menu at the top of your screen. You'll need to click on File, so go ahead and do that. This will open a drop-down menu where you will see several options. Scroll down just a little and click on Print. This action will take you to the print settings, and it's where the real magic happens. Once you are in the print settings, you'll notice a section for paper size. Initially, it might be set to letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. However, for our needs, we are going to change this setting. Click on the letter option, which opens a list of available paper sizes, and then select A4, which measures 8.27 by 11.69 inches. This choice is often more suitable for fitting all of your data onto a single page, especially in international contexts where A4 is the standard. Now, moving on to the critical part of our setup, ensuring everything fits onto one page. You're going to find an option that says Fit to Width. Moving your mouse over to this option, go ahead and click it. What we're doing here is signaling to Google Sheets that we want to make sure the content isn't wider than the page can accommodate. But we are not quite done yet. We also want to make sure the height fits, so select Fit to Page. This will adjust your content so everything fits neatly. Nothing will spill over onto a second page. With these adjustments made, you are almost set. Next, click on the Next button. At this stage, your sheet is about to be sent to your printer, but there's space for us to take a final look at the preview to ensure everything appears in order and just as you intended. Finally, if you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click Print. Your printer will start processing the document, and soon enough, you'll have a perfectly formatted Google Sheet printed on a single page. Now you know how to efficiently set up and print your Google Sheets without losing any crucial data to multiple pages. Practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.